This is a very new channel. Thank you for those who have subscribed already. Thank you very much. Very appreciated. Thank you. Today's video is about 7 ways to instantly make you look prettier. The same you is a better version of yourself. Right, Romeo? Number 1. Your eyebrows. Eyebrows can frame your whole face. Also show you the expression of what you're thinking. See? Same face here, but different look. Okay, get back to our human face. If you don't have a good shape, I can give you, here is a guideline of how to do it. Okay, so you will get a tool like this, So now you can remember your angle and how long is the eyebrow going and where to bend. So next time when you draw your eyebrow, it will be so much easier. Like that. So 3 points, that's how you get the 3 points. Number 2, wear your new clothes. When you buy some new clothes, don't save it for special occasion. Every day is special because we are alive. Who knows what's going on tomorrow? So pick the best outfit, the dress that you like, wear it now, wear it now. That's why today is called present. Right, Romeo? Yeah, we only live once, so if you're going out, do not wear that lazy outfit. So pick something nice that will make your whole day awesome. Number 3, do something to your hair to make yourself look prettier. So either you curl it, you straighten it. If it is a dirty hair day, make it into a bun or high ponytail, so you will instantly look like you have done something gorgeous to yourself. Right? This hair bun clip, I got it from Daiso or $2 shop. So it helps you to make a low bun, high bun very easily. Number 4, make sure you get your teeth clean. Sometimes if you notice that you've got some stain, make sure you go to your dentist and get it clean. We're not talking about like paper white color, but you just have to be clean. Clean. Number 5, make sure your lips are well hydrated. If you have dry, flaky lips, make sure you got a lip balm. If you want to add a bit of colors to your lips, but not sure what colors to go for, you can always try your lips, but better. So try something that will match your lips very close to your natural lips color. You don't have to go completely different colors of your own. Go something very close to your natural color. My favorite is something like this. Number 6, confident. If you feel confident, it will instantly make you look much prettier. Doesn't matter what you wear, what you dress. If you do not have confidence, you don't look good. So make sure you get your confidence level up. Okay? So look at Romeo. So even Romeo is feeling confident today. Last but not least, number 7. You're making yourself prettier is for yourself, is not for others. We're not seeking for other people's approval. So your confidence, your approval, your prettiness is all from within. What we're trying to do to make ourselves prettier is to compare to the yesterday us. We're not trying to be the most beautiful girl in the planet. We're not competing for a beauty pageant. It's to improve compared to the yesterday ourselves. Right, Romeo? Do you agree with Mama? I think you look better than yesterday, aren't you? You want to show off your sunglasses? So I hope we'll all get prettier compared to ourselves yesterday. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel here. And we will have more videos next time.